Hey everyone. So Monday the 9th of May, and we're in a definite bear market right now. And we have been for some time, but the sell-off over the last few days has been huge. If you look at the wider markets, the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones, the S&P 500, they're all selling off. They continue to sell off today, and very much a choppy market last week. Last week was a very difficult market. The first week of the month, very difficult market for me to trade, and certainly we found ourselves in a bit of a drawdown. So we're looking for some better conditions today, and we were struggling for stocks to trade. Certainly to the upside today. We tried to trade Austin Gold. We lost over $1,000 with Austin Gold. Society Pass, we got in and got out with that one for a very small loss for $125. And CYN, CYN, I think that's how it's pronounced. We traded that for a small win. Now we were trading BWV, which is Blue Water Vaccines. We were trading it to the upside, and we lost a bit, we gained a bit, we lost a bit, we gained a bit. It was up and down, and so was my balance. We racked up a fair few commissions, being completely honest, and then we just got green on it. We're about $700 green, I think it was, and then it flushed against us, and I accidentally went short. But I made money. I made about $150. I thought, okay, maybe this is the way to go. I traded it to the upside again, and I got green to the upside, and then it went against me again. So we finished about $1,500 in the red with BWV, and then we decided to short. It was coming up towards the end of the day. We decided, okay, we're going to short until the close. And that's what we did. We got green. We got about $3,000 green, and on that particular trade. So that brought us almost a little over break even on the day, or about 80. It was $81 green on the day. That doesn't take into account fees and charges and transactions, etc. And now that I've been going short, of course, locate fees and short fees, etc. They're a little bit more expensive than just pure commissions. So I had to take that into account. So when I checked, going just after the close, the charges were a little over $900 in total for the day. So that put us, we were a little over $700 in the red net. However, that being said, market had just closed, and BWV decided that it was going to continue selling off. So I jumped in short and wrote it down, and I'm going to show you the trade. I recorded it live, and I'll show you the trade. Before I show it to you, remember to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you let the algorithm know that you like this video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you have, and you want to see me going live, I went live for Power Hour. I was at live pre-market and the first couple of hours of the market open. If you want to get notifications every time I go live, hit the notification bell, and it will tell you just that, and it will tell you when I've posted a new video as well. So without further ado, here's the trade I took after hours that netted me, another $5,000 on top. Enjoy. This starts to drop below $5. Just going to short it again after hours. I know it's low volume. It dropped below $5. I can't see it coming back. Next candle to make a new low. So running heavy. Managed to get filled all 3 times. See if it breaks 5. 3,300. We're breaking 5. Is what I thought. If we break 5, the bear flag. We break 5. No coming back from. $1,800. Nice. 2,400. And falling. This is lovely. We do like this. $3,000. Thought today was going to be a washout. 3,300. 35. 3,300. I think I might just a little bit of cover there. Take 1,100 off that. No, no, still going, but still selling. Still selling. Nice, nice. 4,000. Now this is good earnings. This is good money. 4,300. $4,600. Keep falling, dude. 4,900. 15,000 shares. 4,800. 15,000 shares, shorted it. I want to take off. Right. Oh, still falling. Wow. This is going to be a phenomenal trade. I'm going to take $2,000 off that. So 10,000 shares in. Still 10,000 shares short. But this was a phenomenal decision. I'm so happy to do this. Okay. This is even easier than trading the parabolic squeezes. First candle to make a new low. First candle to make a new high. That's when we get out. 10,000 shares. We're not going to get the huge moves up like we do pre-market. This particular stock. Anyway. So you can see all 4 charts. See the charts that I'm looking at. Take half away. Continues to move up. Set myself a little stop. off a trailing stop. Stop. That was. Off there. 5,000. I've hit my daily goal. I'm just gonna cover this now. I've hit my goal for the day. More than. Give it 470 and I'll get out. Why should I out when I don't need? This is a great trade. This is the best trade of the day. 5,000. Best trade of the day. Going short. Well, looks like this might be going against me now. So I'm just going to cover and get out. My ambitious goal is 5,000 a day. It's taken a while for those scanners to show up. So that $6,000. Not a bad trade. And what was that? 10 minutes? 5 minutes? Whatever. 10 minutes work? Good stuff.